Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna share you how to apply texture to the text from CAD file. Alright, so using free modeling mode, you can import your CAD file using this function to get your text or your letter here, and then we will try to apply texture using the texture from the model library. Okay, click on texture and then you can click on paint. But the problem is when you have the letter or the text that have a segmented surface like this. So when you apply texture, okay, so it will be applied onto the segmented line. It will be following the line, so you do one by one like this. So it's very time consuming, and what's the solution to this? We need to group them first. Alright, so we need to go back to the free modeling. Okay, so remember in free modeling, how to group or ungroup, we need to double click to it or to the shape or to the letter. Okay, and then you double click and then you click on group. Okay, so it will take some time to group the letter and then it will be successful combination. So you can try to apply the texture. Okay, but remember when you click on the texture and want to apply, you need to press on shift or press on control button. Alright, so click on your control button and then it will be applied to the whole letter, to the whole group, since we already make them in one group, so it will be applied in one group. Okay, same goes with this one. You need to click on control, but if you notice you have this hole over here. Okay, so we need to adjust them. Okay, go back to our free modeling. Okay, remember when you have the letter or shape that have an O shape or have a hole in the middle, so you need to delete first the hole. Alright, so click on delete. Okay, and then you can double click and then you click on group. Okay, so when you apply texture, it will be applied to the whole group. Right, so let's say you want to have the same color or the same texture onto the whole text. Okay, so how to apply in one shot? You can make them in one group. All the three letters, you can make them in one group. Okay, just click on your wall. Okay, and then hold on your control button, highlight to them all. Okay, until it's highlighted blue in like this, and then you click on group, so it will be combined in one group. So when you change the texture or when you apply the texture, you need to press on shift button. Okay, drag the texture first and then you press on the shift button, so it will be applied to the whole group. Okay, so it will be applied to the whole group. Remember to press the shift button. Okay, remember to press the shift button, so it will change to the whole group. Alright, so you can try it by yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.